is the halfway point to from Springer to Mount Katahdin. And that means I still have to do half of the Appalachian Trail north. So I gotta get going, but this is where it's located, in a nice scenic area like this, right by a nice little stream where you can get some water. This is very aptly placed. And the guys that actually have done Springer to here are probably celebrating. Take care. This is an extra special treat. Seeing mountain laurel blooming along the trail. A beautiful flowering tree or shrub, whatever you want to call it. But it is beautiful. And it's all along the trail. Oh, nice to have beauty when you're walking. This is a path in Pennsylvania after I came off over the hills, and it just is nice and flat. And sometimes you just wonder if you're on the Appalachian Trail or not, because sometimes you don't know where it is or the markers. And then you walk up and you see one, and it makes you feel good, because sometimes you think you might have turned the wrong way. Some more workers on the Appalachian Trail doing good work for us guys. How you guys doing? Just making sure that we don't get... Hey, I think I know you. I saw you before someplace.
Oh, is that right?
Yeah, on the trail someplace else here.
Okay.
All right. Your name?
Steve.
Steve, I'm Uncle Turtle.
Uncle Turtle.
Yeah.
All right.
And your name, sir?
Jerry.
Jerry. Well, thanks a lot for doing this kind of stuff, because I know it's probably going to get swampy in here, and you're just making sure that people can get by without getting too sloppy. So thanks a lot. Appreciate it.
Well, keep the trail down the center instead of 10 feet.
Yeah, that's usually a good idea. I see it widening, well, getting wider. There we go, I can talk. It gets wider every once in a while when people decide to take detours. All right, hey, thanks a lot. Take care. The guys that planned the AT route always wanted to make sure that we could figure out what type of things happened in the early or the really early past. And this looks like a rock split, and they want to make sure that we know about splitted rocks. So here we go. We always get this fun stuff on the AT. Hello, this is the Alec Kennedy Center. It's 4 miles before Boiling Spring, Pennsylvania. It's maintained by the Maryland Mountain Club. The Maryland Mountain Club also maintains trails in southern Pennsylvania and Maryland. They're based in Gaithersburg. The Celtra is named after Alex Kennedy, who founded the Maryland Mountain Club in 1934. Until his death in 1988, he worked on the trails and he hiked the trails. I want to thank him and thank the Maryland Mountain Club for such a great shelter and for such a great area. Thank you. This is a furnace here to make iron. And the ironworks operated at this site starting in 1760 and ended in 1895 when the new process for making iron superseded the charcoal method. So they were making iron with charcoal. 3 families own this, and I guess this is one of the big things that made Boiling Springs a good city. So here we go. Take care. This is Boiling Springs. They've got a nice community pond here. Actually, it's something that you can go fishing in. There's a nice walkway right over here. And this is kind of a rainy day, so it doesn't sparkle, but it is very nice. Very nice town. Great place to stop. The Appalachian Conservancy Midpoint office. And if you want water, there's a water spigot. You can see the water sign right there. It goes around. To the back here. And you can get water right there at the spigot, right at the bottom there. It's always advisable to camel up right here. Make sure you got enough water, because for 15 miles you won't have access to it.